From Fox 5 News, this is Good Day New York.
Take a look at this picture right now.
You see how thin that tissue is? That's why it's so hard to fix. And so many folks, and I'm going to include my good friend Greg here, they have areas beneath their chin that have gotten
You're
so
talking
thin.
About Greg's neck?
Yes.
He doesn't have a neck in that picture.
Yeah, well, it's right below here. We actually had to cut a Photoshop. He's so vain, he wouldn't let me keep that. This is, by the way, licensed picture from Greg. So we're going to show you how you can deal with the thin tissue beneath your neck in a remarkable new approach. Dr. Bruce Katz is here, the director of the Juva Skin and Laser Center.
Nice to see you.
Pleasure.
So you're doing a specific laser at your place that nobody else is doing in town?
Right. This is one of the first new devices, revolutionary new laser technology that tightens the neck skin, no downtime, no pain.
Really? And how many times do you have to do it?
Usually 1 or 2, sometimes 3, depending upon how deep the wrinkles are and how loose the skin is.
And who's our victim today?
This is Mary.
Hi, Mary.
How are you?
So can we try this on you?
Sure.
Mary's neck, I mean, I guess, yeah, it looks bad. There's a few wrinkles there, but nothing,
Yeah, we've
not
done
crazy.
one treatment already, though.
Oh, you did one?
Yeah.
No wonder why it looks better, right?
She needs her goggles. We don't, I gather.
Right.
And should I hold her
Exactly.
down or?
Hold it down very tightly.
See if you feel anything.
Let me show you how this works. We have little grids here, so we go back and forth about 6 or 8 times in each 4x4 centimeter grid. And this takes about 15 minutes to do.
You smell it, like you smell a little burnt skin maybe going on here?
Right, but there's no burning of the skin. This laser really penetrates very deeply. That's why it's so new in terms of technology. It goes about 3 millimeters deep into the skin. And there's no pain. As you can see, Mary's tolerating this.
I don't feel anything.
At all?
Nothing.
Did you put numbing cream on?
No
No.
numbing cream at all.
So
Absolutely.
you say 1 or 2 treatments, and what happens to your neck? It goes back to the original firmness, or?
Yes, it'll stimulate new collagen so that the new collagen tightens the damaged collagen and the neck skin gets tighter.
How much does it cost?
Usually about 400, 500, depending upon how big the area is and how extensive. And we do maybe 1, 2, or 3 sessions.
Dr. Oz, what do you think about this?
I love the idea. I mean, the beauty of lasers, of course, is you can target them very precisely. But I'm most impressed that Mary's not having any pain. You've not been sedated, nothing, right?
No, nothing, I promise.
And can you do like the double chin too?
We do the jowls, the double chin. We can do the chest area, the décolleté area, the back of the hands.
How about the under eye areas?
We have to be careful around the eyes, Dr. Oz, because this is very deeply penetrating. So as long as we aim it away from the eyes, it's fine, but it cannot be aimed towards the eyes. But we have metal shields that protect the eyes as well.
And Mary, were you happy after the first treatment with the result?
I was. I love it. It's wonderful.
So do we have a before picture of Mary? So I know you've treated her once already, because her neck is starting to look good already. Do we have Mary's first picture? Yeah, we're
coming up
fine,
right
yeah.
now. I'm getting Greg ready for his treatment. Taking place
Poor
right after
Greg,
this.
he's not here.
Well, you should have.
So this is Mary's neck?
That's
Okay.
not Mary's neck. No,
Okay.
no, that's someone else's neck. But we have some other before and after
it's
photos.
a very nice result there.
Yeah, you can see these patients do extremely well. We've had great results after only 1 session. But I usually tell people it's several sessions because not everyone responds the same way.
And how many weeks after the treatment does it take to get that kind of an after picture?
I've had some people who've responded a week later.
Oh, my
Some people
goodness.
need several months.
And how long does it last for? Because does it fall eventually again?
Well, we think because new collagen is coming in, it'll probably last a few years.
A few
but
years?
we haven't been doing it long enough to really say for sure. But we think with new collagen, it should last as long as people don't go out and bake in the sun again and damage the collagen.
The old sun is the problem, right?
That's right.
Congratulations.
Mary,
Thank you.
are you happy with it?
I'm so happy.
Do you mind if
It's
I ask you how
amazing.
old you are?
I'm 80.
You look great for
wonderful for
80.
80, really.
Dr. Katz.
Are you over 40?
Yes.
Okay. No, I was curious
Tell me
because
your real age.
That's okay. She'll be dating. She's from here.
you may be dating. No, I was just wondering because now you reach a certain age and the neck goes.
That's the
Yes.
first thing that often shows as people age.
Yeah.
And it's because the collagen thins out, the fatty layer thins out, and this now can help reverse all that damage.
I just love the way we're able to use technology. It's not designed for this purpose initially. The laser is designed by the military, actually,
Exactly.
early on, but now we can use them for lots of medical uses. And the fact that we can jump past the skin allows us to heal without using steel, which is traditionally what we would have had to have done. Dr. Katz would have cut the skin
Right.
in the earlier generation. This is fabulous.
So, Dr. Katz, any risks at all doing this?
No risks whatsoever, as long as you're careful around the eyes, which we use metal shields for, so there's really no damage, no downtime, And the amazing thing is that it's not painful. That's the surprising new innovation.
And you're the only one doing this particular ClearLift right now.
Yes, but not for long, I'm sure.
Okay.
All right,
the doctor's doing
After you
it.
go to commercial, I want you to treat Greg's chin right here.
Okay.
This is how it goes.
Oh,
he's complaining already.
As you can see the little grids already.
Perfect. That's good. That's all I need.
He never looked better.
Yes, he
Let's
looks
see.
wonderful.
Oh, yeah.
He's healing already.
His chin looks
Healing
fabulous.
already.
All right, Dr. Katz, nice to see you.
All of the women here are going to love the latest star beauty secret that takes years off your face in just minutes.
A facelift on your lunch hour. No knives, no downtime.
It's very quick. It's virtually pain-free.
There is now a new laser in town that promises even younger looking skin, and it's the only laser of its kind in the United States right now.
The very latest in beauty technology, the Pixel Q Switch, the revolutionary laser just added to our anti-aging arsenal.
You name it, we can go there. It's very exciting.
It is fantastic because there's no downtime for real. For real.
For real.
For real. It's a 10-minute facelift.
The procedure for patients, very quick. Only takes 10 minutes for the whole face. No sedation is required.
And when patients can get in and out within half an hour, lunchtime laser treatments are becoming all the rage.
I think it's a game changer.
I want to fight aging naturally.
It's going to help with the texture and the tone. She has kind of an iridescent color in the stretch marks, and we're going to make that really disappear. I'm really excited about it.
Jamie recommends 3 to 5 treatments, but you can see the pretty dramatic results this patient had after just 1 treatment.
You can do it anytime. You can do it if you're tan or not. And the nice thing is, nobody knows you've had anything done because there's no social downtime. You can put your makeup on right away.
You see some of the results immediately. However, you see the optimal result even up to a month afterward. It's a big treatment for a small price.
Another alternative to going under the knife? Yeah, we'll take it.
By the way, I'm getting on this. You think that I'm leaving. I'm staying here for a little while.
Of course.